Bertie's chase. Peep, peep, we're late, fussed Edward. Peep, 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 peep. Where is Thomas? He doesn't usually make us wait. Oh dear, what can the matter be? Sang the fireman. Johnny so long at... Never you mind about Johnny, laughed the driver. Just climb on the cab and look for Thomas. Can you see him? No. The guard looked at his watch. 10 minutes late, he said to the driver. We can't wait here all day. Look again, Sid, said the driver, just in case. The fireman got to his feet. Can you see him? No, he answered. There's Bertie bus in a tearing hurry. No need to bother with him though, likely he's on a coach tour or something. He clambered down. Right away, Charlie, said the guard, and Edward puffed off. Toot, toot! Stop, stop! Wailed Bertie, roaring into the yard. But it was no good. Edward's last coach had disappeared into the tunnel. Oh, bother, said Bertie. Bother Thomas's fireman not coming to work today. Oh, why did I promise to help the passengers catch the train? That'll do, Bertie, said his driver. A promise is a promise, and we must keep it. I'll catch Edward or bust, said Bertie grimly as he raced along the road. Oh, my gears and axles, he groaned, toiling up the hill. I'll never be the same bus again. Toot, 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 toot. I see him. Hooray, hooray, he cheered as he reached the top of the hill. Oh, he's reached the station, Bertie groaned next minute. No, he stopped by a signal. Hooray, hooray, and he tore down the hill, his brakes squealing at the corners. His passengers bounced like balls in a bucket. Well done, Bertie, they shouted. Go it, go it. Hens and dogs scattered in all directions as he raced through the village. Wait, wait, he tooted, skidding into the yard. He was just in time to see the signal drop, the guard wave his flag, and Edward puff out of the station. His passengers rushed to the platform, but it was no good, and they came bustling back. I'm sorry, said Bertie unhappily. Never mind, Bertie, they said. After him quickly. Third time lucky, you know. Do you think we'll catch him at the next station, driver? There's a good chance, he answered. Our road keeps close to a line and we can climb hills better than Edward. He thought for a minute. I'll just make sure. He then spoke to the station master while the passengers waited impatiently in the bus. This hill is too steep. This hill is too steep, grumbled the coaches as Edward snorted in front. They reached the top at last and ran smoothly into the station. Beep, beep, whistled Edward. Get in quickly, please. The porters and people hurried, and Edward impatiently waited to start. Vroop, whistled the guard, and Edward's driver looked back, but the flag didn't wave. There was a distant toot toot, and the station master, running across, snatched the green flag out of the guard's hand. Then everything seemed to happen at once. Toot, 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 bellowed Bertie. His passengers poured onto the platform and scrambled into the train. The station master told the guard and driver what had happened, and Edward listened. Oh, I'm sorry about the chase, Bertie, he said. My fault. My fault, panted Bertie. Late at junction. You didn't know about Thomas's passengers. Beep, beep. Goodbye, Bertie. We're off, whistled Edward. 3 cheers for Bertie, called the passengers. They cheered and waved until they were out of sight.